going to Pattaya. So where are we now, Thai?
We are at Pattaya now.
ร้านอาหารรับอาหารนะครับคนละ200ไปกลับได้เลยกลับบ่ายโมง3 โมง5 โมงเย็นเดินทางไม่เกิน15 นาทีนะครับ
No Chinese, no Russian in Pattaya. Some monks here. Just arrived in Kolan, one of my favorite islands in Thailand. Where are we now, Taiwan?
Now is หาดตาแหวนค่ะเกาะล้านยายเกาะล้านนะ
But this is the worst beach in Kolan.
How you know Where is my lipstick Could not find lipstick because everything is right here really Tima, can I have your mobile
So here we are at some fancy coffee, waiting for my cheesecake. So what is pad kapao?
ไข่กะเพรา
What's up?
ไข่นี้ป่ะ
This one? What's this?
ต้มยำกุ้ง
Tom yum goong.
ข้าวผัดต้มยำข้าวผัดต้มยำโบ
This? Both is the same.
same
But this one is spicy, chama.
นิดนึงนิดเดียวเผ็ดนิดเดียวเธอทำไมโบโลนี้
ไม่ได้
ได้นะ แล้วก็พี่ดาววันทูโบโลด้วย โอเคไหม
ครับ
โอเค because she want to see
So we are here in some beach in Kolat. Weather is cloudy. Others are swimming now. So the beach is almost empty. I'm here with some friends. Hello. Hello. Hello, Mr. Dog. There's a bridge. Water is very warm here. You can count January, December, November. It doesn't matter. It's always warm. So it's very nice to take a bath here. Here we have some men fishing. So we are arriving till the end of the beach. There is a bird there. Here you can travel from Bangkok to here in 1 hour, and you are in paradise, literally in paradise. Here we have some wind generators. Yeah, I wish this place was like 2 hours by plane from Barcelona. So, but sadly, you need to travel 16 hours to come here. This place was a resort and a bar in better times. Now it's closed. And here is the owner of the place. Retired boat. Some decoration to the tree. More Thai decoration. Some flowers. We have some friend over here. So there is a big Buddha at the top hill of Kolan. Big old Buddha statue. These are the views from here.
Yeah, not bad.
What?
My tell you.
We are going to checking now. This is the Cosy hotel. It looks very nice. Reception is quite big. I think you want to pay, John.
Why you know?
So this will be my bed. This will be my bed too. And this is your bed, and you sleep there. So what we have here, aircon, picture, but there is no light here. Yes, open. 2 bottles of water, kettle. Oh, very nice views. Very nice views to where? To Pattaya.
Parking.
To the parking. To some random parking in Pattaya. But outside we have 2 chairs, a table. It's a little bit dark outside, so difficult to see. But can you open the light?
Only that.
Only this light. Yes, let's try to get outside. Can you open? I want to be too, you know. I think it's too dark. Maybe tomorrow is better. That we make the review. Amen. Neng.
Me, yeah, they have shoes. ไม่ได้ถามเลยเนาะ
Oh, but this is the beach.
ใช่
So
ใช่ we
there,
go that restaurant
there.
tonight.
The forest sky.
The forest.
อ๋อ
ใช่คนที่ชอบเลย
Then wait one moment before you go to the toilet. Let's see what we have inside the toilet. So, but it's nice. We have the toilet here, normal, regular toilet. Taiwan dancing because she want to pee. Shower with normal shower head. Sink. Water. There is bathtub.
Tonight.
And then what we have here, bath and shower gel, shampoo, moisturizer, soap, 2 glasses, and let's open the mini bar. It's a one, you can go if you want. Empty mini bar, 4 glasses here, cups. Let's open the wardrobe. Safe, hangers, more hangers here, instructions for the safe, and that's pretty much all of it. Here's some place to sit, sofa, and the magic mirror. So that's pretty much all. It's an average hotel, not really nothing special on it. Here is a light, which is a Thai elephant. Let's see how to open it. how to turn it on here. This is a Thai elephant. And some window to the bathroom. Where are we going now? Tarwan?
Big class. That you need to use now. And no one use, and then I make you do it.
So nobody using the gloves. What do you have, Jarwan, here? What's this?
ไม่รู้
Chicken.
chicken fried
And this
อ๋อ
one
อันนี้
here.
มันคือ Chinese sausage มันใช่แต่ถ้าพูดก็คืออะไร
And here?
Orange juice
No, there in the middle.
rice bone
And here I have some pancakes, croissants, toast with jam, espresso, and orange juice. So there is a swimming pool of the Cosy hotel. We have some elephants, some hammocks here. It's a 30 meters, 40 meters pool, I would say. These are the views to the street. This is the chocolate factory. I think if you take this way down, you can go to the beach. And here on the first floor, they have some rooms with direct access to the swimming pool. Here are our hammocks. This is the other street of the hotel. The entry is there, which is where the minivan, the grey minivan is. The building is not very high. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 floors. And there is another hammock. So you can rest here. It's very nice. It's very comfortable. So now it's time to try the swimming pool. So the water is quite cold. So it's interesting because you are here inside the swimming pool. There is Christmas decoration. It's like 30 degrees outside. There is a Thai girl swimming. So it's a mix of sensations. How about the water? Alright. I have the phone. It cannot be wet.
waterproof is how
Waterproof, so we take our phone.
down and
อ๋อ อันหนึ่ง And what are you doing? You cannot swim. Don't do like this.
ไปถ่ายรูปยังหรอ
Everyone, I'm afraid. What are you doing? So be careful. I'm afraid. It will fall. Yeah, it will fall. Checking out from Cosy Hotel.
Didn't hear เลย What this song
Oh, this is the Lion King song.
ไม่ใช่
Yes.
ร้อนไหม
Yeah, but it's like you know.
ก็เป็นชะนีอะค่ะแม่ทำไมคันจังเลยเนาะโอ้ยอย่ามายุ่ง My twin
For what's this?
ก็กล้วยไง กล้วยบานาน่าไง
My bad for who?
อันนี้ from my friend from my friend ปั๊น So you not scary you make scare หรอ
5 เดือนแล้วเนาะไป5 เดือนแล้วเนาะ
ที่เราถ่ายวิดีโอให้หน่อยได้ไหมถือทำบุญคู่กันข้างดีเอาไม่ถึงหน้าคนเลยโว้วเองถ่ายรูปให้กล้วยก็ได้นะ น้องขออย่าเองเอาไปดิ
เขามาถ่ายรูปได้นะ
เองเอาไปให้ถ่ายวิดีโอให้ก้อยอยู่ให้มันกินของลูกอาวิหนูทำอะไรตรงนี้ลูกไหนเฮ้ยไหนตัวไหนมีเขาเอ้ยนี่ไงลาวิเดี๋ยวทำไมลาวิหนูมาทำอะไรตรงนี้ลูก
But they are like you, Charwan. They like vegetables.
คนมองมีคนมอง
เด็ก
หนูกินหน่อยดิ
อร่อยไหม
เดี๋ยวไม่สนใจแล้วพอแล้วได้เยอะแล้วเราน่ะได้เยอะแล้วแบ่งเพื่อนบ้างโอเคปิ๊บปิ๊บปิ๊บปิ๊บปิ๊บปิ๊บปิ๊บ
เจอ
ได้
Hello Mr. Duck So what do we have here? There is a coffee shop inside this place. So you can go inside. It smells funny here. So you have here some place to sit. And then you have outside more places to sit. Not right, you look like
my
sad.
they ask my name about what's your name and I say กล้วย yeah they write ม่วย
But what means muay?
ไม่รู้
So let's see what we have over here. I actually don't like some flamingos. Yes, I actually don't like very much places like this one because they use animals to make a profit. And I'm not sure if animals are well treated here. Oh, we got it.
อันนี้คาราเมล
Caramel,
คาราเมล
milk caramel.
ใช่ แล้วก็อันนี้เป็น milk in pink
Pink milk.
pink milk
Black pink milk.
give my friend
Oh, here is an elephant taking a bath. Sawadee krap.
ว่าชื่อกล้วยเขาเขียนว่าคุณม่วย ก็เลยรอเครื่องดื่มไว้ได้ก็ทีหรอทำไมแบบว่าไม่เห็นว่าอ๋อโอเคชื่อม่วยแต่ได้อยู่ใช่ไหมจะเป็นผ่านไปกล้วยว่านั่งได้5 ท่านโอเคไม่เกิน200 โลอ่ะกล้วยก็100 โลแล้วแต่มันมาเร็วแต่ก็ดีนะมันก็มีแบบอิสระของมันนะดีกว่าอยู่ในกรง
Patuka. Oh, yes.
เหมือนคนเลยอ่ะเหมือนเด็กเลยดาวเลยอ้าวแต่ว่าไม่เป็นไรไปนั่งนี่โอเคอยู่นั่งเลยได้แหละเมื่อกี้ก็200 กิโลเหมือนกันแต่เมื่อกี้ก็200นะสรุปตรงนั้นล่มเลย
But the other one was more comfortable than this one here.
นี่เทกัน
Gonna take a fall.
and me and my friend around 700 baht
อ๋อ
each one ก็คือ
Okay.
for the bill 3K อ่ะเธอ
3K
ใช่ it's very expensive แล้ว
ใช่
you pay everything for อะไรนะ ice 5 บาท per
5 baht
person
Really
เออ จุ๊บหน่อย จุ๊บหน่อย
But this is very nice
แต่ที่เป็นโฟโต้สวยไหม
I think so